This is how I make $240,000 a year as a 17-year-old without a degree and with working 3 to 4 hours a day. This is exactly what I was doing a year ago, and now I can pretty much go where I want, buy what I want, travel where I want, and pretty much do whatever I want. So I promise you can do this too. As long as I have a phone and an internet connection, I'm good to go. I've always been relatively good with social media, but you don't have to be. This is a learned skill you can train and develop over time, just like training in the gym. You can learn the same skill set I did, and when done the right way, you can literally never make less than 6 figures again for the rest of your life. You never have to work a 9 to 5, you never have to study 4 years for a degree. It's called social media marketing. So what is social media marketing? Well, it's super simple. There's a customer that has $1 million problem, some type of roadblock that's holding them back from making $1 million. In my case, I worked with online personal trainers, and their $1 million problem was a lack of sales calls they were booking. Once you find this problem, you have to find a solution to it. I learned the skill of Instagram ads, and I leveraged that to help online fitness coaches book unlimited sales calls every single day. For you can help dentists get more clients, gyms get more clients, it really doesn't matter. Now, the reason social media marketing can make you so much money is because you're not limited in any aspect. You can work with clients all over the world, you can work with as many clients as you can take on, and you can charge as much as you want. I know some agencies charging over $20,000 a month for one client, so there's no ceiling to how far you can scale this. Start off, you learn the skill of ads for like 2 weeks, and then you spend another week looking for your first client. Now, once you land your first client, as long as you over deliver for them, you're pretty much set up for life. You can ask for referrals, you can leverage that testimonial, and clients will start coming to you. That's how I scaled my SMA to $20,000 a month, by just over delivering and then asking for referrals. If you want to know the exact steps I took to scale to $240,000 a year, then check out my pinned post.